What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Have you ever asked yourself the question, what happened to the people who is good friends, close friends, family members of these people who've been unalived by their husbands or wife, who've been abused both mentally and physically? Have you ever sit down and wonder what happened to those people who knew that their friends, their loved ones, or even their family member is going to hell or lose their 3 points? Have you ever sit down and ask yourself about the trauma that those people is going through, even though it did not happen to them? Have you ever sit down and ask yourself, how does those people feel? Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? All right. I hope each and everyone is in good health and good strength. And guys, if you feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Go check the doctor, call the doctor, make the doctor come at your home if you have the money. But if you don't worry yourself. We'll go call somebody to come and help you. If today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. Enjoy yourself, go out, have a nice time, and just be happy. If you drink, don't drive. If you drive, don't drink. And if you don't drive and you're going to drink, take a taxi, but take a picture of the license plate of the taxi, of the vehicle, and of the driver. If you can get it, send it to somebody, a friend, family member. That's if, in case something should happen to you, people can know who to talk to, who to ask questions. Guys, have you done your wellness check? Guys, I'm begging you, please do your wellness check because mental health is not a joke. Mental health crisis is on a rise, it's on a high. Thank you very much, guys, for support the thing, for you watch the video. Guys, we know some of these videos that I'm making may not be the videos that you want to watch, but I'm asking you, please watch the videos, like them, comment, and share the videos. Guys, I have a dialogue with a viewer, a subscriber, a mother yesterday. And when I talked to that lady yesterday, she let me know that this lady is a big grown lady. She let me know that she's now taking care of her daughter because something happened to her daughter. So she have to be there taking care of her daughter, helping her daughter out. She even go as far as say the daughter have a very fine, nice husband who is doing all the work while she cannot go to work. Big up yourself, good husband. What you mean? Big up yourself, good husband-in-law. Big up yourself, good son-in-law to the lady. I won't call her name, I don't want too much. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, while talking to this lady, she said to me that when she see what Alicia Kim is going through, it reminds her of what she witnessed her friend went through. She says everything that you see happening to Alicia Kim, everything you see Alicia Kim talking about, it just put her back in the spot that her friend went through all, if not more, things that you see Alicia Kim talking about. So my question to you out there who is talking about Alicia Kim is telling lie, Alicia Kim is doing this, what happened to the people who watch and see their friends, their loved one go through all this trauma? What do you think happened to those people? Those people also go through that trauma because they are feeling hurt. They are feeling that abuse too because they know that it's happening. Some of them cannot say nothing because they want their friend to be okay. And if they say nothing, they believe that that person will find out, and then their friends will be in a lot more trouble. Mental health crisis is not a joke. Majority of those people is having mental problem, remembering what their friend gone through. Many of these people out there, they're having issues, they're having problems, they're cringing when they listen to what Alicia Kim is talking about. What happened to the voiceless people who cannot talk? What happened to the people who cannot come out and say what is happening to them, what have happened to them? What happened to the people who knows what happened to their friend who is afraid of talking? Because they know that if they open their mouth, their friend may get in trouble. Now, my viewers and subscribers, what I'm going to say to you guys who out there who is afraid of going to the authority or is afraid of talking to the authority about the situation, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, because guess what? You're not alone. It is not simple and it is not easy to know that your friend, your family is going through hell and there's nothing you can do about it. One, there is something you can do about it. You can pray about it. Two, you can talk to somebody about it. Let somebody know, because the more somebody know is the best they can help. Sometimes it is that bad that they can swoop in, take that person up, remove that person from the house without any incident. But they need valid reason to do such. Sometimes the people who is in the situation too is so deep into it that they believe it's okay. They believe it's norm. They believe it's all right. I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen women who is been abused, both mentally and physically, talk about husband like it's a breath of fresh air. But down under, they're going through hell in the house that they live. But then they'll go out and they'll talk about their husband, their husband, their husband. Which you have to wonder if that person or if those person is having mental problems. And let's be honest, a lot of people out there is having mental problem and don't really know that it is mental issues. Some of viewers and subscribers, what I really want to say, there is people out there who is watching Alicia Kid, who is looking at this young lady who just lose her life, Ashley Robinson. Watch, there is ladies out there who watch a lot of videos and see a lot of people losing their 3 points. And they're saying to themselves, it could have been me. We don't know. We see it and we see it. However, we could have been talking about Alicia Kim in another way. But it just wasn't her time. There is a lot of things going on out in the world. A lot. Disrespect, abuse mentally, physically, unalivement of a woman just because They cannot take it no more. A husband would unalive his wife, and when they ask him, why did he do it? He says, I can't take it no more. If you cannot take it anymore, your life is yours. Her life is not yours. If you feel like you want to leave Earth, go ahead. But you cannot be taking another person's life while you is live on Earth and you're going to live. It doesn't matter where you live. If you live in prison for the rest of your life or wherever you live, you're still alive. Meanwhile, that individual is gone. The family member won't see that individual no more. Mental health crisis is on us. Mental health crisis is on us, and it is on us a lot of different ways. A lot of people out there is having problems because of what they see have done to their friends and their families, and to what they see have done to people that doesn't really even relate it to them. Like, for instance, the situation I'm telling you about with this lady. She said that when she see what Alicia Kim have gone through, when she listened to what Alicia Kim is saying about what has happened to her, and she knew and she witnessed that that thing happened to her friend. Let me say this to you guys out there. When I talked to this lady, she let me know that when the man was on his dying bed, that's the time he asked someone to lend him their phone to call this individual. And he called the individual, and on that phone, have you ever heard about confession before death? Have you ever heard about confession before death? Yes, that's exactly what he did. He confessed to this lady over a phone call and apologized for all what he have done to her. I wonder if you just hear what I said. He contact the lady that he used to marry to and confess to her, apologizing to her about what he have done to her in the past. Can I say he could have gone about his business without saying anything? But confession before death. I'm hoping and praying. As far as what I was told, that lady is happily married at this time. Only I hope nothing trigger her mind. And as the other thing that I heard also is that this individual don't even watch YouTube because of what's on YouTube. She don't even want to remember anything that will trigger her off towards these things that are mental abuse, physical abuse has happened to her. So the thing is, guys, it's not only the person who is in the trauma, having the trauma, in the problem, being mentally abused is affected. People who is never in it. This lady told me that she is so happily, excited, brilliantly, beautifully married. But yet still, she having issues remembering what her friend gone through. She's not having any married problem. No. She's not having no marriage problem. However, listening to what Alicia Kim is talking about is putting her on the spot where she's saying to herself, wow, that's what my friend went through. So, guys, pray for the people out there who is going through mental problems because of situation that their friends have gone through. There's a lot of people out there who is having small, minor, but their mental issues because they're continuously worrying about Alicia Kim. They continue worrying about their friends, their family who is going through mental and physical abuse. The viewers and subscribers, it shouldn't be like this, but it is like this. But we have to remember, what if Alicia Kim never have a platform to be sharing all these things? What if Alicia Kim didn't have this platform to be sharing all these information? How we would know that these things is happening? We would not know. So just think about the people who don't have a platform. Think about the people who don't have a say. Think about the people who is going to hell all by themselves. Think about the people who don't know where to run. Think about the people who don't know who to have dialogues with, who to talk to. Remember, I am a good listener. And I love to talk about those kind of things. My number is out there. Call me. Talk to me. If you want me to voice my opinion about your situation, I have no problem doing that. Letting it out is one of the best ways to get it out there, to feel better, to feel strong. And you know yourself. I talked to you yesterday. You know yourself. It was a very good conversation. We have very good dialogue. I respect you very much to stand up, to never let your friend do it all by herself, even though you couldn't have gone in to do much, but by being there for her, being able to talk to her when you can, be able to let her know that you are there is what carry her through, because some people don't have anybody to talk to. Some people need people like you. Some people need people like you in their corner to have and to hold. So that means, you imagine sometimes you have to hide and hug your friend. So you have to hide and give your friend a hug to let your friend know that I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Yes, that's all we have to do. We have to support each other. So, guys, while you're watching videos and you're talking to your friends, find out if your friend is alright. Ask your friend what's going on. If you see there's a small problem, talk to your friend, help your friend. And also, guys, if your friend have a friend who having problem, help that friend, because sometimes that friend take that problem all on themselves too. So guys, remember, mental health crisis is not a joke, and it does not happen because the thing is happening to you. Mental health comes in all different ways and forms. Viewers and subscribers, don't say a word. Peace and love, and have a wonderful time. Remember, mental health is not a joke. It's serious. Check it out.